Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to practice daily use English sentences. Learning English is not difficult if we practice every day. The best way to improve English is by using simple sentences in daily life. Start your day with easy English sentences like good morning, how are you, and what are you doing. Speak these sentences loudly and clearly. Do not worry about mistakes because mistakes help us learn better. You can practice English while talking to friends, watching videos, reading books, or standing in front of a mirror. Learn 5 new sentences every day and repeat them many times. Listening and speaking regularly will improve your confidence and pronunciation. Try to think in English during daily activities. For example, say I am eating food, I am going to school, or I am studying now. This habit will make your English natural and fluent. Remember, confidence and consistency are the key to success. Practice daily, speak without fear, and one day you will speak English confidently. So, first, I am here to represent daily usage sentences. First, I am a read, then after you repeat these sentences. So first sentence is how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am studying English. Where are you going? I am going to school. Can you help me? Yes, of course. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Are you busy now? No, I am free. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. What are you eating? I am eating lunch. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Can you repeat that? Sure, no problem. What do you do daily? I practice English daily. So, these sentences are you practice in 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 your everyday your English is improved. So guys, if you watching this video and like, subscribe and share my channel. So see you next video. Thank you.